Hi you guys, so today I thought we would do a fun layout in my journal. I kind of had an idea of something that I wanted to try to make, and I thought it would be fun to try it together. I have just these 2 pages open in the journal. I'm going to set this to the side for now, and I'm going to get out my cutter, and I'm going to just do a 3-inch. I have some scraps right here. I'm going to go ahead and trim this so that it's 3 inches. And I'm going to do some more as well. I think I'll do this one. And then let's see how long these are. So 3 by 4 is what I'm doing, approximately. And it definitely doesn't have to be exact. Okay, so we've got 4 of these. And then what I'm going to go ahead and do is get out my circle punch. And I'm going to go ahead and just line them all up and do it all at once. This is fairly thin paper, so I can do that. Just so the punches are all in the same spot. And then I'm going to go ahead and ink these up really quick. I'm going to go ahead and move my journal back over here. And I have some ink. Here I'm just using Vintage Photo, and I'll speed this up. Okay, I'm just going to get out my art glitter glue, and I'm going to go ahead and do 3 sides of these. And I'm going to do it on the other one as well that matches it. And I'm going to glue over the top of the first one. The only thing is that I want to put this other one down first so that I can still use the full pocket on this one. If you put it the other way around, you would be blocking the pocket. So you want it so that you can still put stuff in here and in here. And then I'm going to go to this other side right here and do the same thing. Cute. I do like this idea. It's really cute. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and decorate my page a little. I have these little strips that are from Tim Holtz. These little strips, and I like kind of cutting them up and just using part of them. I think it's kind of cool. So I'm going to go ahead and just trim this like that. Kind of like that one right there. And I'm just gluing 2 sides in case I want to use them as a tuck spot at some point. I can. That's cute too. Okay, and then I want to put maybe something else on here. I like that one in there. Maybe something like that. And then I want to put some stuff inside of my pockets so that I can, like journaling cards and things. And I have some little digitals. And I was thinking, oh, I could use some of my digitals that I have. Oh, that's cool. Okay, let me see. I'm going to go ahead and ink around this. And then this is just a little journaling card I'll be able to use. I feel like that is cute. That's kind of neat. I do like that. I kind of just want to glue that down. And then let's find some stuff to put in these pockets. Oh, that's a cute little tag. I'll put that one in here. And then maybe some paper inside of here. I have this little paper pad that I use. Oh, here's a piece actually. Just gonna go ahead and trim this off. I'm gonna round the corners on this. Okay, and then I'll just fold this in half. This will just be a little bit of journaling space. That is so cute. I do love how this page is coming along. I might go ahead and just put a little whale tail on the page. Just on the top of the page, just like that. There's a little ticket. I like that. I'm gonna go ahead and stick that on. I do like how this is coming out. It's so cute. Then you have all these little tags that you can go ahead and write on the back of, and then this journaling space, and then you have this space around here that you can doodle or you can journal, you can do whatever you like. Okay, you guys, I love how our page turned out. See you next time. Bye.